Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanen from English with Village Blog. Guys, I speak basic English and I believe in basic English because since I started basic English, I have learned so many things. I have observed this language by myself. I would like to tell you those tricks to you so that you can also speak in English. This is really very easy if you do this, and by this way you can become fluent in English. Guys, now in my previous video I showed you how to speak your daily routine and how to ask question, and in this video I'm going to show you how to speak any third person daily routine, and after third person daily routine how to ask question, how to reply, I will tell you. So after telling this third person daily routine, I will ask question by myself and I will reply, so that I can get habit how to ask question, how to reply both. So this is really, really good, like you are doing both the thing, you are replying, you are asking question, so that is great. So let's start. So guys, today I am going to tell you one of my friends daily routine. So my friend's name is Shubham. So he gets up early in the morning, he gets fresh, then he takes breakfast, and after taking breakfast he gets dressed and goes to school. In the school he studies for 4 hours, and after that he comes back home. Having reached home he takes a rest for some time, then he takes lunch, and after that he grazes buffaloes and he plays with his friend, and at 6 p.m. he comes back home and he takes a rest for some time. After that he studies for some time, then he watches TV for some time, and around 8:30 he takes dinner. After taking dinner he goes for a walk. He walks in front of his house for some time, and around 9:30 he goes to bed and sleeps. Guys, this is third person daily routine. What I did, I didn't do anything, I just add ses, like subject plus verb, main verb, and in main verb I add only s या es. So this is easy, you don't have to do anything, you don't need to think so many things. So guys, now I am going to ask question and reply by myself, so that I can get habit how to speak about any third person daily routine and how to ask question. So okay, so Gyanen, what is your friend's name? Well, my friend's name is Subham. Okay, how old is your friend? My friend is uh, 17 years old. What does he do? He is a student. Great. So at what time does he wake up in the morning? He wakes up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, great. So does he go to park? No, he doesn't go to park. Okay, so at what time does he take breakfast? He takes breakfast at 7:30. Who makes breakfast? Of course, his mom makes breakfast. Okay, after taking breakfast, what does he do? After taking breakfast, he gets ready for school. Okay, so at what time does he go to school? He goes to school at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, great. So how does he go to school? He goes to school by his bicycle. Oh, great. So with whom does your friend go to school? Well, he goes to school with his friend. Okay, what is his friend's name? His friend's name is Anuj. What does he do? He is also a student. Oh, great. In which class does he study? He studies in ninth class. Great. How many hours does your friend study? Well, he studies for 4 hours. In okay, which is his favorite subject? His favorite subject is English. Great. Oh wow. These days so many students are learning English. Yes. Oh great. So at what time does he come back home? He comes back home at 3 p.m. Okay. So what does he do after reaching home? Well, he takes a rest for some time, and then he goes to Grace buffalo. Oh, he has buffaloes. Yes, he has buffaloes. How many buffaloes does he have? He has two buffaloes. Grace, does his buffalo give milk? Yes, his buffalo gives milk. How much milk does his buffalo give? His buffalo gives 2 liters milk. Oh, it's a less. Yeah, because uh, his buffalo has been giving milk for like 7 months. Oh, that is the reason now she is giving less milk. Yes. So does he sell milk? No, no, he doesn't sell milk. Okay, so how many hours does he graze buffalo? He grazes buffaloes for 3 hours. Okay, with whom does he go to graze buffalo? He goes to graze buffaloes with me. Okay, great. So do you both graze buffalo together? Yes, we both graze buffalo together. So what does your friend do over there? Well, my friend plays with his so many villagers. Oh, and what about you? Do you play with him? No, no, actually I don't have time to play with him because I have to teach my student. Oh, great. So, okay. So at what time does he come back home? He comes back home 6 p.m. What does he do after that? After that, he just takes a rest for some time and he takes dinner. At what time does he take dinner? He takes dinner 8:30, and after that he goes to bed and sleeps. So guys, this is third person daily routine. I didn't do anything while speaking his daily routine. I added only S for ES with main verb. And after that, when I asked question, I used only does. So before does, I used some helping verb WS family, and by this way I asked so many questions. So if you do this, this is real practice. If you do this, no one can stop you to become fluent in English. So I have made one daily routine with plural subject, and I have made one video related plural subject, and today I am making this video with related third person subject. And next, in my next video I will create a story and I will ask so many questions and reply by myself, so that you can get to know, yes, I can speak my daily routine, I can speak my friend's daily routine, I can create a story as well, and I can ask question and reply. So this is, if you do this, you will be fluent in English, guys. This is real practice. You don't need any partner, you don't need any teacher, and you don't need to do so many things. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will help you become fluent in English, guys. Thank you so much.